Hello, in front of me I've got Linyuvo controller. In this video I'll show you how to remap ML and M right. To remap additional controllers, long press the right M button without releasing it. Enter single button you want to map. The controller will vibrate briefly after releasing MR button, and pressing the MR button again becomes trigger mapping button. Long press the left mode button without release. Enter single button you would like to map. The controller will vibrate briefly after releasing ML button, and pressing ML button again becomes trigger mapping button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.